So hi guys, this is a video on how to replace the battery on an iPhone 5. So here's an iPhone 5. I'm going to just take out the old battery, which is about 2 years old now, and I'm going to get a new battery in it to get it working back in pristine condition. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do with this is you need to power off your iPhone. So I've just powered it off, it's completely black. Got one of these new batteries from eBay. About $10. You can see they're pretty standard. Here's the pack. So they come with all the little tools to do it with. Okay, so we're going to first take these two screws out here at the bottom. See, they come out pretty easy. They're just very, very small. Take that one out there. Next one, take that one out. Okay, so we need to get the glass screen off now that I've taken the screws out. So you can see sometimes you get given these little plastic things. The larger these are, the easier it is to get it off. So we'll use this one, which is a little bit bigger. Put it on here. You squeeze it on. Now we just need to lever this off. So you just need to carefully pull that. Carefully pull it up. This can be a little bit tricky at times. Okay, so you can see it just suddenly came up there. Okay, there we have it. So we can pull this off now. Okay, so that's the inside of your phone. And as you can see, that's where it's clipping in here. It's clipping in here and here, there and there. It's clipping in there. So that's how your phone's going to be clipped in. So you can see there's a connector point here for your screen. We're not going to bother taking that out. We're just going to leave this in and we're going to be careful. So you can see there's the battery. To take the battery out, it hooks in underneath this piece here. So we need to first take these two screws out here. Take this piece off. That will then allow us to take the battery out. So we'll do that now. So I'll put that down. Carefully keep this held. Get the screwdriver. Take these screws. First screw. These screws are tiny. Okay, so we've done that. That allows us to take this piece out here. Okay. Now that we've done that, we want to take this connector piece up here. That's the battery connector piece. And we can now take the battery out. So we'll take the battery out. There you go. Take that battery out. Okay, so as you can see, this is the old battery. The new one, I want to make sure it's all in the same place. So we get it in here, put it in, push it down in place, to get the connectors down. There we go. It's completely in place now. Now we need to put these pieces back in. Okay, so you put the screws back in. Put the next screw back in. This keeps the battery connector completely in place. And that's pretty much as simple as as hard as it gets. Get the screen. Push it back in place. Carefully get it in. Just be careful as you're doing this, you don't want to damage. So if at any time you think it's not going right, just edge it out. I'm going to put this top piece in first. There we go. It's all back in. Okay, the only thing that we now need to do is put the last screws back in. As you can see, these screws are tiny. Pop them in. Screw it back in place. And guys, there you have it. So let's charge it up again now. Hold the power button down. Give it a minute and it's going to do its thing. It's going to turn it back on. There we go. So it looks like the battery came up with 28% on it, so it looks like it'll need charging. And that's how you do it. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. So that is, as I say, a video on how to replace your battery on an iPhone 5. So the hardest thing about doing the job, as you can tell, the hardest thing is getting the screen off. Once you've got the screen off, it's all pretty simple after that. Just be careful when you're trying to get the screen off. You don't want to damage it. The last thing you want to do is kill your phone. So act very, very gingerly when you get your phone screen off, and then you'll be absolutely fine. Hope you enjoyed the video, mate.